Not that.
Hello everybody, welcome to another version of Whacked Out Drivers in the Nati. And if you need another reason on why you should stop at red lights because you never know what's going to happen, check this out. That person is flying, didn't even slow down for that light, and looky there. We got a police officer. They was going so fast they didn't even notice the police officer on the other side of the road. Just insane. Look how fast they are going. You know, it makes absolutely no sense to me. Absolutely no sense. But again, I want you to pay close attention to this. I got this in slow motion. And even in slow motion, you can see how fast this car is going in slow motion. You know, you can rewind this video, but when they make their turn, you can actually see their whole car dip to the right. Because they're taking this turn so fast. It's just absolutely insane. You know, folks, they could have waited for a green light, but instead they wanted to give up the green in their pocketbooks. Oh well. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Drive safe. This is the Bulldozer, and I'm out of here. Here's some more videos you might be interested in. We are approaching an intersection on the west side, and what you're going to see is still crazy to even think about. You're going to see this big dually truck. You see this Jeep right here. Look how this truck just blows this red light. Just absolutely crazy. And you can see the light just turned red, so the Jeep clearly had the green light. Video you're seeing on your screen is where we had an encounter with a Sorta bus driver. To where, well, you can see right here, he is so close. I mean, you can see him. He's etching up on the back of our vehicle. And I warned this guy that he was being recorded on DashCam, and look how close he is. You can't even see, you almost can't see the bike rack on the front of this bus that he's so close to the back of our vehicle. And so you got to make sure you watch this whole video. The links to all these videos are in the description. The video on your right, you can see it's playing back and forth right here. It's where this lady came across the double yellow line and almost hit my wife head on. And you can see where she's actually forced off the road. All three of these videos you can find in the description down below. The links to these videos will be right underneath the title. Again, check them out. Watch the full video. It's absolutely crazy. Everybody drive safe. This is the Bulldozer, and I'm out of here.
Just a rebel on your own on a bed to trip on a bed to